Now that you've submitted your client's documentation to GruntWorx, let's go over how to download and import those files into your Drake tax software. Come back into the GruntWorx icon, click Job Status at the top, find your completed file, download the file, all your client's downloaded files for GruntWorx will be located in the Drake Documents Manager for your records to keep. And when you're ready, open your client's return and import the finalized GruntWorx information into your client's return. In our final video, we'll go over how to add funds to your GruntWorx account balance.